Hello, farmers. This is your host, Dr. Joseph Dejifulutile, World Farmers Center Success in Farming channel. Today I'll be discussing with you top 3 mistakes most farmers make. Top 3 mistakes most farmers make. Number one, the mistake of putting production before marketing. The mistake of putting production before marketing is very common among the workers, among the farmers of today. And that is why some of them are stranded in the process, because you get a lot of farmers, after they've done all they could do on production, they'll be stranded at the marketing end. And the middlemen will begin to now molest them and take advantage of their ignorance. You should always put marketing before production. You should know where you are going to sell your products. At least you should plan for that. The real battle plan in any business is a marketing plan. The real battle plan in any business, including farming business, is the marketing plan. Number two, the mistake of underestimating people's power. The mistake of underestimating people's power. A lot of farmers think they can do it on their own. You need the contribution of dynamic farm workers. You need the contribution of dynamic farm workers. When you have dynamic farm workers, farming is like a triangle. You have the farming, you have at the top of the triangle, you have the farm owner. At the two bases of the triangle, you have the farm manager, and then you have the farm workers. At the inside the triangle, you have the stock, whether you are doing crop or livestock farming. So people are very important. They are very important in the making business. So when you underestimate the power of people, it's a great mistake. And number three, the mistake of success without successors. Very common in today's farming industry. You have a lot of farms. I've been in industry for over 30 years. Most farms will start well and they will do well. As soon as the owner is gone, the farm is gone. And sometimes the farm is very big. Whatever will happen at that point, the farm is gone. I mean, that should not be like that, because it has really affected the farming industry, especially in this country, Nigeria. So the mistake of success without successor is a common mistake among the farmers of today. Once again, let me take the three again. Number one, the mistake of putting production before marketing. Number two, the mistake of underestimating people's power, that is your workers. And number three, the mistake of success without successors. Once again, my name is Dr. Joseph Dejifulutile, World Farmers Center Success in Farming channel. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to keep getting more and more quality advice from this channel. Thank you.